what do you think? What's the first step that I do when I had the g of f of negative 7? Anybody? Everyone? What do I do? No, your mouth's full. I wouldn't do that to you. Matthew, what's the first thing I do?
Inside.
Do the inside function. So the f of negative 7 is going to be negative 2 times negative 7 plus 7. Do we agree with that part? All right. That means I have 14 plus 7, which is going to give me 21. Now what do I do? Put what? G of 21. Absolutely. Which is then 5 times 21 plus 1, which gives me 106. Okay, do you feel good about those? Yes, no, good. All right, do we need to do the f of h negative 4? And more importantly, or what was your answer on that?
60.
Ooh, we have some discrepancies. We got 61, what'd you get? Dwight Vaughn, what'd you get? Negative 43. You say what? What do you mean, which one's which?
I had h of negative 4 equals 25. I don't remember which step comes after that.
Okay, because that's the inside. So the h of negative 4 would be negative 4 squared plus 9. What's negative 4 squared? 16. 16 plus 9 is going to give you 25. Do we agree with that?
Yes.
All right, then the f of 25 is going to be negative 2 times 25 plus 7. So negative 50 plus 7 equals negative 46. Is that right? No, negative 43. Ooh, come on, guys. Catch me on that. Okay, so of it, was it calculation errors? Yes. Was it that negative 4 squared is not negative 16? Okay. Good. Alrighty, then the f of g of x. What do I do with that? Where do I start with that? What do you do with the g of x? You take the g of x and plug it into f. Perfect answer. So that means that it's like saying I'm going to put 5x plus 1, because that's my g of x, into the negative 2x plus 7. So I substitute that in, and I get negative 2 times 5x plus 1 plus 7. Everybody get that part? Awesome. So I get negative 10x minus 2 plus 7. And so negative 2 and 7 is going to give me negative 10x plus 5. Is that what you got? I see a lot of heads shaking. Awesome. All right, h of g of x. What are we going to do? Put the g of x in for h. So that's like saying h of 5x plus 1 is equal to our x squared plus 9. And we'll put that in for x. So I get 5x plus 1 squared plus 9. Good? All right, which is like saying 5x plus 1 times 5x plus 1 plus 9. If you can FOIL in your head, that's okay. You don't have to write that out. But if you are making FOILing multiplication mistakes, write it out so you can see it. So I'm going to get 25x squared. I get two 5x's. I get a 1 and 9. Which when I combine my like terms, I get 25x squared plus 10x plus 10. Is that what you got for that? I get some yes and no. Is the foiling part the part that where the mistake's coming? You understand the process, you just are foiling not quite right? Yes, no? Okay. Would it be helpful for me to come up with some kind of like FOIL review thing? Yes? Maybe a little extra credit or something? Okay. That definitely would explain why factoring, because factoring's undoing foiling, and if you're having trouble foiling, then that's gonna. So, speaking of which, Factor Master retakes, when are they due by?